I've been out for the day, and as soon as Sandor sees the car come up the road, he's on the bungalow roof, and then as soon as I'm in the kitchen, he's on the wheelie bin at the ramp, or sometimes he's at the back doorstep. Today he's very excited because I've got a bag, and I'm shaking the bag, and he knows there's something a bit different in the bag, and it's a donation from the cafe in town. From Tickle Your Taste Buds, they give me scraps of meat because they want to help feed Sandor, because they know that it varies his diet and it costs me less money if I can get donations. So Sandor is really enjoying himself having this feast of meat. So he gets a very, very good balanced diet. As you can see, I'll take it out of my hand, and he's having a whale of a time with great chunks of lamb. And if he's going to take a long time to eat, sometimes he likes to stand in a very secure place with a lot of open space, and he treasures the food that he's got, and sometimes he runs off with it thinking I'm going to take it from him. And Sandor, he's off, but he'll be back. There he is on another roof, guarding his territory, having been extremely well fed, and perhaps he's now fly off into the sunset, and I'll see him tomorrow.